Mecca.
This man. Yeah. BennchoumY in the building.
SOB.
Oh. Baby, what's the deal, baby boy?
Yes.
Hard-hitting Harry in the building. Another well-known Haitian DJ in the Haitian community and abroad in the international market. Hard-hitting Harry, put your hands up, baby. Put your hands in the air. Yo. Yo, where the ladies at? Can we clear the stage?
Yo, can we clear the stage, please?
Yo, shouts out to Classic 1804.
Yeah, hold up.
1804.
Please.
Productions.
So hold up, hard-hitting Harry, want to say something. Shout out to Butter in the building. Yo, Butter, what's up, baby? Earthman, I ain't saying what they do here. All my Haitians out in here, yo.
Yo.
I ain't saying what they do yet. Yo, DJ Hard-hitting Harry in the building, for real, Meridian Entertainment. You can catch me every Thursday, heatpartyradio.com. Shout out to my man Mecca, aka Grimo. You know how we did it in Miami, baby. Yeah, shout out to all my Miami people. Links, where you at? Yo, Earthman, where you at? Shout out to Papa Jube, Clef, Bronze, SOBs. I ain't said what they do yet. Yeah, it's all about Mecca, aka Grimo tonight. You know what I'm saying? Sac passe. Yeah. Check it out. Yo, shout out to c'est ça cosa, côté New Year.
Family.
C'est ça cosa, côté New Year. It's on me. My guys, we about to get into something. Yeah, let's do this. Hold on. Hard-hitting Harry, out-hitting Harry in the building. Yo, my God, Sam. Where my pretty Haitian women at? My beautiful Haitian women, where y'all at?
Yo.
Yeah. Said, where my beautiful Haitian women at? Yeah. But they're from you. Where are they? Where the ladies at? Oh, yes. Yeah, make sure when we next month, we got more Haitian women attending because that's
my wife, man. Oh, that's right.
Strong Haitian women deserve tribute.
Remember me. I say so. She knows about you.
The revolution, the men. Who you think were behind the men?
That's right.
Cooking that shit up when they went out there to do what they had to do. So for the strong Haitian women